Hi everybody, welcome back. I am Akshaya and this is Infi Desires Doodle. So I came by to say hello. I hope everybody is doing okay. I also came by to wish for the two occasions. Kal Akshaya Tritiya hai, which is a very auspicious day for Hindus and Jains. So मेरी तरफ से सबको अक्षय तृतीया चा खूब शुभेच्छा. And secondly, tomorrow is also Eid. So everybody who is celebrating Eid, आप सबको Eid Mubarak. And so today's video is basically some very cute, simple food doodles. So let's get started. Also, thank you everybody for showing so much love to all my previous videos, and I want to specially welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and for liking my videos. Keep supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Also, I just want to put it out here that I am going to take a doodle workshop this Sunday, that is on the 16th of May. So if anybody is interested to attend the workshop, it is for kids. It is a doodle workshop. So if anybody is interested, all the details are there in the description, and you can even check it out on my Instagram handle. Also, if you're watching my video for the first time, please note that this channel is specifically dedicated for all the artwork, for doodling, for lettering, and even some DIYs. So make sure to check out all my other videos as well. And don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and do share it with your friends as well. Tell me which is your favorite food doodle from these, and I would love to hear if you recreate any of these. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram or Facebook, and do let me know what else you want to see on my channel related to art, crafts or DIY. I hope आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you so much for watching it. Please stay safe, take all precautions, take all measures to keep yourself safe. Wear your mask, sanitize your hands, maintain social distancing, and take care of your health and your family as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.